Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 4. So now that I've chained 4, on the last chain from the hook I'll make 11 double crochets. This 3 chain in the beginning will already count as 1 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now to finish row 1, right here through this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. So now for row 2, I'll chain 4. Then through this next chain I'll make 1 triple crochet and 1 double crochet. So through the same chain we'll make 1 triple crochet and 1 double crochet. Through this next chain I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through this next chain I'll make 2 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet, then through the same chain I'll make 1 half double crochet. Now through this next chain I'll make 2 double crochet, then through the same chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. I'll chain 2. Then through this next chain I'll make 1 triple crochet. Then through the same chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Through this next chain I'll make 1 half double crochet. Then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next chain I'll make 2 single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 2 half double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Then through the same chain I'll make 2 triple crochet. Now I'll chain 4. Then right here through this chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 6. Then through the second chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Through the next chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through the next chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through the next chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through the next chain I'll make a slip stitch. Then right here where we have made this 4 chain loop in the beginning of the row, right there to that first chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and then I'll cut this yarn. So this is all for today guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.